Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 error code 516. So the 516 error caused by data inconsistencies or conflicts within the game files. If you see this error message when you try to save your game quickly, use the menu to save, or when the game saves automatically, it might mean there's a problem with the game's ability to save your progress correctly. So now let's talk about on how to fix the issue. So first is to verify the game file integrity. To address potential corrupted or missing game files, verify the integrity of your Baldur's Gate 3 installation. Right-click the game in your Steam library, choose Properties, navigate to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will identify any issues and replace problematic files. Next is to update graphics card drivers. Ensure graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest drivers compatible with your system. Updated drivers often enhance compatibility and performance. Next is to check your system requirements. Confirm that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. These requirements can be found in the game's Steam store page. If your hardware falls short, consider upgrading components to achieve optimal gameplay. Next is to close unnecessary programs. Excessive background programs may interfere with Baldur's Gate 3. Prior to launching the game, close any unnecessary applications to free up system resources and reduce potential conflicts. And the last one is to contact the Lawrence Studio support. If none of the previous steps yield a solution, reach out to Lawrence Studio support team for assistance. They can provide further guidance and specific solutions tailored to your situations. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.